Hello everybody, this is Montgomery and this is a look at the cover door closer. Now in the last video it was banging against the frame wall. I found a wrench and was able to adjust the closer. So I want to show you when I got it to work. I adjusted it, checked to see if it was leaking. Well, it ain't, because when I let go, see? Latches well. And the sweep was going very fast, so I gave it a couple of turns. So it works great now, but I don't know how long it'll last. One more time. If you're wondering where the cover is, I took it off and never put it back on yet, so for you wondering. Ooh, it bounces. I may have to... Ooh, it's a little bouncy. It's very smooth. Pretty smooth. Now let's come over from this angle and watch it. One more time. It has a delay valve, which I think is open. And I guess that'll be